Right guys, we have got the inner and the outer gearbox casing off, exposing el gearboxio, that's Spanish for gearbox. So yeah, that all looks good from this point, but let me pop up here, show you the bearing in the inner casing. I don't know if you can see that, or I'll see if you can hear it. It is shot. It's got a wobble, it's got a raunch, it's got all the things wrong with it, to be honest. So yeah, I'm going to get that out, give the casing a clean up, and we will get her back together. Now I've got the cleaned up a little bit, I've got the oil out of the bearing, what oil was in there. Have a listen to this. Just goes to show. It's yeah, might have been overlooked, but my god, that is shot to pieces. Well, that's the inner casing all cleaned up, ready for the bearing. The bearing's in the freezer at the minute, so I'm going to set the camera up, play a little bit of heat on this, not too much, don't want to distort it, melt it or damage it in any way, and hopefully the bearing just drops straight in and all is good. And that's the inner casing all done, bearing in, retaining clip, you can see it there, bit of a bastard to do but all good. Ready to go back in, just got to do the outer casing, so I'm going to give that a clean up and we'll get her back on the bike. That's the inner and outer casing all cleaned up, ready to go. Dubbed a bit of grease on the speedo drive. Just got to clean up the actual main housing now. So, oh, what's happening with the camera there? So I'm going to set up the main, sorry, I lost my thought there. I'm going to set up the time-lapse camera, get this cleaned up, and yeah, you'll see me get her all back together. Well guys, as you can see from the time lapse, yeah, made a bit of a boo-boo. Gasket is perfect all around the back here, but certainly does not fit at the front. I've ordered the wrong one. That's a shame, because I was really hoping to get the bike finished off today. I might give it a go at doing the old school cornflake box gasket. I've never done it myself. I know my dad in the past, he wouldn't buy a gasket, he'd only make them out of that. So let me have a go at that and I will be back. Well, that is not in my wheelhouse. I am not made to make gaskets. I just, yeah, no, I haven't got the patience for it. So I'm going to try and get the gaskets today. There's a place, it's currently 7 o'clock in the morning. They open at 10. It's about 70 miles away. I'll see if I've got time. If not, I'll have to order them, which is be a bit of a pain. But it'd be nice to get it done today. But for now, I can always continue with the other side. Always something to do. Never lost for something to do in this place. So yeah, I'm going to get the seal, circlip and clutch back on. and yeah, get all the primary chain, get it all nicey nice, all cleaned up, and yeah, get this side put to bed. We're going back together quite nicely, guys. Got all the clutch housing and the front crank nut, got that all on, chain on. Still need to tighten the front sprocket. I just needed the chain on to give it a bit of resistance. What I'm going to do now is head back to the other side, and what I've decided to do, some of you are probably going to curse me in the comments, but I'll try and avoid this stuff, to be honest. I don't normally use it, but push has come to shove and I want these back on. I want to be able to ride it this weekend, so yeah, I'm going to give it a go. It should be alright. It's only Gearbox in it, so it's not massive massive pressures or heat or anything like that. So yeah, I'm going to get this get it all set up on the other side and get this back together. There she is, all back together. Now I'm just going to wait for the gasket to dry a little bit. I'm just a bit hesitant to put some oil in it quite yet. Let that go off whilst I finish off the other side, get the clutch all put back together. And yeah, once I get that back together, put some oil in the engine, fix the issue on the fuel tap. I think then she's ready to go out on a test ride. Exciting times. I'm looking forward to this one, guys. Guys, so as you saw from the time lapse, clutch went together. Then I took it apart again and put it back together. I just wanted to double check the clearance by the sprocket at the back here. It was just making a bit more of a noise, but I think the sprocket's got a bit of a hook to it. So again, it's not on a bike like this. It's not vital that that's changed instantly. I will certainly put it in the next time it's apart. I'll make sure I've got a sprocket so I can get it changed. But yeah, it's good because I forgot to press record originally. Oh, there goes my alarm to say get back up to the house. So yeah, I forgot to press record last time I put it together. So yeah, at least got a bit of footage for you guys in that respect. But yeah, all back together. I'm going to pop the rear wheel out. Redo this bracket down here, just shift it over a smidge, just to give a bit more clearance for the clutch, and put her back together, get some oil in her, and yeah, keep on going.